So hey guys, welcome back to my channel JNTUH Explainer. In our previous two videos, we discussed about the CCIDF Unit 1 Topic 1 Digital Evidence and Topic 2 Principles of Digital Forensics. In our third video, we will be discussing the third topic, which is challenging aspects of digital forensics. See, what are the challenging aspects you get while solving a case or while collecting some digital evidence we'll be discussing today. So if you want my own handwritten notes, you can comment on yes. I will share you the link where you can access my handwritten PDFs. What is the definition of it? Challenging aspects of digital evidence are the difficulties faced while collecting, preserving, analyzing, and presenting digital evidence. See, we all know what are the challenges that we go through before showcasing our evidence in the courtrooms. So, a lot businessmen or big guns of India does is they ruin this step to get rid of that case, and they give a lot of money to the officials so that they tamper everything that is going to be shown as evidence in the courtrooms. What are the challenging aspects? Modification or delete. Hard to find original data as criminals may easily edit or delete the evidence. See, modifying or deleting is directly equivalent to tampering the image. So here, like for example, a small minute evidence can also be gone by tampering the image. This makes the entire evidence baseless. Second one is large volume of data. As devices contain a huge amount of data, finding useful evidence is difficult. For example, nowadays each and every device is above 128 GB storage, or many big people or big guns use a 1 TB storage. There, finding a small evidence out of 1 TB storage makes the officials very hard to catch that evidence. So a large volume of data can also be a challenging aspect in digital evidence. Third one, encryption and password protection. Data that is protected with passwords or encryption. So as the world is going forward, different types of password protected documents are being made, due to which the hackers or the person who is trying to target someone use a hell lot of layers of password or encryption before getting into the original evidence. Fourth one is different devices and formats. Data comes from mobiles, laptops, cloud, etc. Each uses different formats. See, if I own an iPhone, and the software system for that is totally different of that of an Android mobile. So here, data comes from mobiles, laptops, cloud, etc. In these devices, again, they are specialized into a Mac operating system, a Linux operating system, or an Windows operating system. So each uses different format and different operating system. So again, it makes a long hustle to get down into that and get some information as evidence. Fifth one is volatile data. Data disappears when system is turned off. So whenever we have seen in our movies that if a person get caught, what it does is directly he closes the main switch of the electricity in his house, and he escapes from that. So if the devices works on volatile data, then entire data will be vanished if he just switch off the electricity. Sixth one is legal issues. If improper procedures are followed, then evidence must be rejected in court. See, if we directly know that one person is the attacker, and we just cannot say he is an attacker, a courtroom or the judges ask for a proper evidence to file a case or book a case on him. In the same way, if improper procedures are followed, then evidence must be rejected in court. From my very first video, I have been saying that in India or in current world, many of the big guns use the legal issues or with different types of aspects to escape from that case. In the same way, this is one of that way they can ruin some procedures in between the investigation, and they can escape easily. And seventh one is cloud storage. Data may not be in the device, but it can be stored online. So just now I spoke, even if 1 TB of the storage is present, it is difficult to exaggerate the evidence from it. So you just think in the cloud storage there are hundreds of TBs of storage present of different hundreds and thousands of people. So from there, getting and going and bringing the evidence becomes a lot, takes a lot of time of the officials to literally get some minute evidence. So this cloud storage also plays a very challenging aspects in collecting digital evidence. Let's discuss on one in real life example. Imagine a cyber criminal. He deletes all the chats, formats the phone, stores important data in cloud, then challenges investigators face is recover deleted data, break password protection, and access cloud data. For example, from a person is doing different types of exploitations or attacks. For example, from last 1 year, when at last it gets caught from one type of victim, then instead of deleting or harming the system, what he does is he just flashes his mobile. What I mean by flash is deleting the previous software and installing the new software. That makes his mobile completely new, and all the information stored will be vanished in few seconds. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that you understood what I have explained in the topic 3. Soon I'll be back with topic 4. Till then, subscribe to my channel, and if you want the link of my notes, you can just comment on yes, and I will be sharing the link with you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.